Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute turtle. So let's get started. In the first step, I will draw the shell of our cute turtle. For that, I will draw a semicircle. Moving up like this. Up, up. And moving down. Slowly and steadily. Just like this. Now I will draw the bottom of our cute shell. For that, I will draw a curved line from one point, like this, curving around to the next point. Here we go. Now I will draw the inside pattern of our cute shell. It will make the cute scales of our shell. Let's draw some curved lines like this from one side to another. Just like this. Again, repeating the step. A curved line from one side to another. Now on the top. Curving around. Just like this. Now I will draw some more curved lines but in a different direction. So they will crisscross. Just like this. Going all the way down from the top. The second line will come from the side. From the top. Going all the way down to the bottom of our cute shell. Our first step is now complete. In the second step, I will draw its cute head. For that, from this point, I will draw a circle emerging out from the shell like this and coming back to this edge of the shell. Our second step is now complete. In the third step, I will draw a cute tail. For that, I will draw a curved line pointing outward and then moving down and meeting the end of a shell. Just like this. Our third step is now complete. In the fourth step, I will draw its cute little feet. For that, I will start drawing the letter U, just like this. Now, next to this one, another letter U, and this will be the back feet. Now again, repeating the step, but for the front legs. The letter U, and another one, just right next to the first U. Our fourth step is now complete. In the fifth step, I will draw a cute face of a cute little turtle. For the eyes, I will draw two circles right next to each other like this. And adding a cute little smile. It's a happy turtle. Now inside these eyeballs, I will add two smaller circles. Follow along. Just like this. Right next to each other. And then fill the empty space. In the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent and I will fast forward the step. Let's color our cute turtle. I will be using 2 shades of the green. For the shell, I will be using dark green color. For the face, tail and legs, I will be using light green color. So let's get started. Our cute turtle is now complete. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.